Better off talking to these walls. You only sound smart to a retard. Tony Clown, y'all for your cheap bars. My formula sophisticated, scientifically proven. I'm sick as a nun, getting the venomous tongue twisted like an F5. But I ain't no Brock Lesnar. Plus, I ain't interested in buying your pop records. I'm here for revenge like Scorpion in Mortal Kombat. I study death like Dr. Kevorkian. Pour tall glass to shut the fuck up juice. I dismantle motor mouths. These whack MCs that kiss ass and roll around lit, nagging over how quick rap is toning down. The penalty got the game in a full Nelson. Banging at doors, helping to change with a sore pelvis. I'm sideswiping you guys, hyping with 5 mice in the source. These magazines promote the least talented. They got the nerve to say we supposed to be proud of it. You boys trying to fight, bumping your gums. You get yourself knocked out right in front of your son. Okay?
Oh. I am the punishment of God.